Governor of Manipur Dr. Nazma Heptullah has prologued the 7th session of Manipur State Legislative Assembly today, according to a press statement issued by Secretary, Legislative Assembly. Unemployed Local Truck Owners Association staged a sit-in protest today at Truck Parking Minutong, Imphal, in condemnation of State High Court's order imposing a ban on unauthorized quarrying of stones and sand mining in rivers. Heavy downpour has affected normal life in the state as many low-lying places in and around the Imphal city have remained deluged. A petrol pump located at Kawa was flooded with overflowing rainwater, causing inconveniences to commuters.